Hello guys, at this time I would like to show you a video tutorial about how to make a 3D text in CorelDRAW. Before I show the step, let me introduce myself. My name is Valian Ekalio Finandia. I am a student of StekomSemarang, majoring in graphic design, and now I am in the 4th semester. Okay, before I explain the steps, I would like to give the short explanation about the CorelDRAW. CorelDRAW is a vector graphic editor developed and marketed by Corel Corporation. It is also the name of the Corel Graphic Suite, which include the bitmap image editor, Corel Photo Paint, as well as other graphic related program. Okay, now I go to the next part. Here I would like to give you the step of how to make 3D text in a CorelDRAW. First, open the CorelDRAW application right here. Then create a new document. Here, new document, click. For example, I use size E4. I change the page into landscape mode. Then select the text tool right here, text tool, or you can use shortcut. The shortcut is F8, and then click on the page. I made the text, for example, tutorial. I want to change the font to Comic Sans MS. I change the size if you want. Right here. After that, we create 3D fields using the extrude tools. Extrude. Right here, extrude tools, click, and then click at the center, drag it to the right side. Right here, in the property bars, you can adjust the color of 3D field. Right here, extrusion color, click it, and choose use solid color. For example, I use orange color. If you want to change the color, you can choose other color. For example, like blue, like here, or you can choose red. You can choose any color if you want. And yeah, you're done. Now you can make 3D text in CorelDRAW. Alright guys, that's all the step about how to make a 3D text in a CorelDRAW. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.